Hi, and welcome to Salento with Love. I'm Davide Mengoli, and another great episode of Palazzo Angelini. Amazing how these things is gently coming together and we see the transformation. I am sure that you're going to enjoy this episode of Palazzo Angelini, so I'll see you at the end. Eccoli, buongiorno. Buongiorno. Come procede Giuseppe?
Procede bene.
Procede bene?
Benissimo, la condizione l'abbiamo quasi finita.
Well, I left the guys this morning with the jet wash cleaning up here, getting rid of all those loose pieces of plaster. Then they go after that they go past with an axe and they remove either more, and then they just have to act all the stone to allow for the new plaster to actually grip. Plus, in this particular case, all these top ledges will be removed and replaced with same stone, where this can be recycled somewhere else downstairs, so they still remain within part of the building. But the idea of replacing this is because when you plaster this, if this is actually in line with your wall, what happens is that when you paint your walls white, that is just going to drip constantly, getting your wall dirty. So what you do the new ones, you make them stick out 2.5 to 3 centimeters. You do a little cut line underneath, which literally the water will get there, you will find the line and it would drip. So you're creating a dripping mechanism rather than the water coming all the way around and going onto the wall. Thank you for watching my videos, but if you haven't become a subscriber yet, press the subscribe button, leave a comment. We always appreciate your comments. Thank you. I know. When you look at this, you think, wow, is he ever going to come together? Yeah, it's coming together. In fact, downstairs looks pretty messy, but upstairs is really taking shape. Also, this space that we found is proven to be a very useful space because we can have the electrical, fit it there, and once all this gets cleaned, well, I can't wait. Let's see if I can turn my torch of my phone on. Yeah, here we are. It's a wonderful space. We're gonna contain this part of the wall here, clean this up. You can see the door frame, the original door frame to access to the building. And we just offer a nice little piece of history and additional space as well to the building. So I'm quite pleased with that. A little opening there, all plastered and finished. It's gonna look amazing. Oh, these guys are doing a fantastic job here. Oh, are you still there? That means that you are enjoying our videos. Thank you very much for following the channel. Did you know that every Friday we issue a video called Thank God It's Friday, and you can see it if you join our membership. Do that, and I'll see you every Friday. The scaffolding is up to bring a cable up to the top of where this massive window and door is going to be fitted. You may want to have an electric window or something. Not having electricity there will cause an issue later, so better to do it now, have it there, and then if you don't use it, you don't need it. But yeah, always think ahead while the scaffolding at the moment is getting fitted. So the whole of the back of the property can be plastered. So I missed the action this morning. Somebody else did at 6:30 in the morning with a crane. You see the height. We actually got a crane this morning to drop off. These are all the new ledges. They're going to go all the way around the new areas that will be plastered. And they're in pietra leccese, 8 centimeters thick, with a double cut to allow the water to drip. I probably have explained this before, so it was nice to see that this morning things went according to plan and the material was delivered for plastering all these areas. Very soon it will change. It started to take off. All the ledges that will be fitted. See, the problem with these ledges is they're too short. So when you plaster the wall, you're always going to get that black dripping down. And also they're just too short aesthetically, plus they're all different sizes. So all of this is going to be the same, but we'll give them an extension of their life. They can be used elsewhere. So while this scaffolding continues to go up here. It's nice to see while I'm up here, we've got my other guys working on James over there. Morning, James. Well, that's changing very, very quickly. I'm so amused sometimes at the finding how a property has changed so many different shapes over the centuries. Yes, centuries, because I'm here again at Palazzo Angelini, and this building has been here potentially since the end of the 1400s, but probably built well before that. But this section here, I would say probably around about the 1400, maybe late 1400. So it must have gone through so many changes. I'm sure that these buildings behind here, they were not here, and this was the entrance through the back. Now, what we've just discovered, that where I thought it was a crack on the building, probably due to the age of the building, well, I'm just on the top of the scaffolding over here, and I found the arch. This is the construction of an arch that obviously would continue all the way. And so what I thought it was a crack It's just a disconnection between the area that it's closed, it's been used to close the arch, because obviously this changed and just the door was at the bottom over there, and now it's a big arch again. But it's incredible how these things are only visible really when you remove the plaster. And so what you think sometimes is a crack in this particular case, or the property being a little weaker, well, it was actually due to a change of the shape of the property and just the disconnection between the filling of the hole, which prior to that was a arch, and the original stones there that positioned in a centina mode are producing the arch. Wow, absolutely amazing find. I'm sure you have enjoyed this incredible episode full of so many things. It's amazing to see how a property can really be transformed and can be brought into the 21st century. And it's happening with the hands and the skills of a lot of incredible craftsmen. Well, until the next episode, make sure you do the most important thing, which is stay safe wherever you are.